Hello friends, how are you? I hope you'll be well friends. So friends, today we will solve the GFG problem. Okay, question is check if tree is isomorphic. It means we will check the which one tree is isomorphic or not. Those one it will be isomorphic, so it will return yes, and those one it will be not, so it will return no. Okay, so let's get started friends. I'm going to explain the question quickly. Okay, so question is given a two binary trees. Okay, and check the whether they are isomorphic or not, right? And also in note as a condition there, two trees are called isomorphic. It means two condition is only true, only trees should be the isomorphic, right? If one can be obtained from the another a series of Phillips, that is by swapping, right? I will explain in the draw. Okay, but firstly I will read the okay. And swapping right to left children's of the several nodes, right? Any number of nodes of any level can have their the children swapped. Two empty trees are also morphic. It means those one trees has there no any child, so it will be isomorphic, right? And for example, if there is a following two trees are isomorphic with the subtrees flip 2 and 3 null and 6 7 8, that's all, right? So let's get start friend. Okay, this one I'm going to move it. So you can see here the friends, this one is the first level, right? You can see here the this one is first level, elements are equal, right? And node is also equal. So you can see here that at the second level, this one is the this one is the second one, this one is the third one, and this one is the fourth one. All right. So inside the case friends, you can see here the very uh, one is equal, right? But here in the root node has has a left side has a two, but here the 3%, right? So we need to modify it, this one, right? This like, because already question is telling we can swap and make them to isomorphic, right? So I'm going to the here swapping it. Here it will be 1, here it will be we will be swap. It will be 2 here in the left side, so 2, and here it will be 3. All right. So in case all this left node it will be also have come, and here it will be 5, and here it will be 8, and the right side 7. Fine. So two level has swapped. Okay, and third one level we will see. Now let's compare this thing. Okay, so 4 5. Okay, 4 5, and 3 is also the 3 at the right side is also 6. 3 is right side also 6. Okay, so third one level has matched. Okay, and fourth one level 7 8. Okay, 7 8, but here is not, so we should be the also swap. Okay, so we will swap both one. So here it will be 7, and here it will be 8, right? So I hope you will be guess it how can be our the isomorphic tree. Okay, but move on the next. And because this one is a condition true, right? But some case is already told already question has told you those one is isomorphic is two empty isomorphic, there it mean there is a no nodes. Okay, it is there is no anyone child. Okay, there is a two null. Okay, so it is also isomorphic. Fine. So two condition it will be always true, other than other other will come, just like also here given here the in the example. In this case it will be never isomorphic. How? I'm explaining. Wait a second. You can see here friends, here the root node is 1, right? Root node is 1. Fine. Root node is 1, and left side 2 and right side 3, and second one is the 3 and 2, both are the head. It means the root node is equal, right? So you can see here the this one is the left node and this one is the right node, but those one is the different, so we need to the we need to the this one it will be modified, right? So I'm going to the swap it, 2 it will be here and 3 it will be here. But in this case you can see here the this one is the 4, this one is the 4 is the left side of the 2, so this one is the 4 left side of the 2, right? In this case 3 left side of the 4, right? So can you see here when I swap, so after then we cannot swap because there is no any elements, right? But you can see here the this one is the 4 is the left of the 2 and this one is the 4 is the left of the 3, right? So condition is not fulfilling, right? So that's why this one is the not isomorphic trie. So this one we will solve. I'm going to the draw here the pseudocode. First of all we will check the our tree should be the null, okay? First of all we will check if we are using we will first of all we will check the null condition, right? Our root our root is equals to our root is equals to null, right? We will check both 1 and 2 also, right? Just like I'm going to also write here, we will and here, right? And again root 2 also, it's mean root 2 and equals to null, so it will be both null, so we will return true, right? And second one condition we will check, that's like here it will be 1 and second one this one is a t1 and this one is a t2, fine. So it will be also 1 and here the 2 and here 3, okay? Sorry, here 3 and here 2, sorry here I'm giving example, so here it will be 3 and here it will be 2, fine. So in this case we will swap this one elements, so we will this one childs, so it will be converted into the isomorphic, right? It means root in this case we will check the right to left, it will be node, it will be equal, so we can be swapped, okay? And after then we will check the further, right? If there are element present or not, right? So that like we will check it, okay? And in that case it will be no annual isomorphic is generated, so we will return the false, okay? So I have written the two approach, so but we cannot say the two approach which is two different way, right? Way of writing, but both are the logic at same. So I have already written here because when I will write also, so video it will be length, it will be increased, so that's why. But don't worry, I will be explain each and everything. So you can see here this one is I have two written, right? First of all I'm going to explain first one, right? So you can see here the first one I'm checking the uh, both trees, right? If I have already here, yes I have already here told you, right? So it's our root node is will be null, so it will be returned true. Already a question is telling it empty as okay, so it will be isomorphic, so I am returning a true, already boolean has, so that's why I'm returning true and false. And after that if anyone node it will be null and other case I'm explaining here. For example here in the left side has element presented, right? In first in the first root one, okay? But in the second one t2 there is no anyone right and left element, so it's this one is a null and this one is the not null, so in that case it will be not isomorphic, so I'm that here I'm checking this one, okay? For example here it will be here it will be not null, here it will, but here is a null, okay? But here is a not null, in the one condition is true but this one is a not, right? If though if both it will be true, so it will be firstly right condition it will be true, right? Our compiler will not check this one, but But why this one is checking? Because here a condition has false, that's why. And after then it will be returned false in that case. Okay, in that case it will be generate issues. And also this like of the our t1, I'm writing here the our t1 and t2, and t1 has a 0, right, not null, it means null. And t2 has their elements, has the childs, right, has childs. So it mean condition this one is a fulfill, right. So that way we are returning the false, and this one is a not isomorphic, right, because isomorphic condition is not fulfilling. Okay, so that's why this condition it will be false. And after then friends, and after then you can see here I'm checking here the root data elements, like you can see here the root data each and every time root data. And also you can see here the each and every point we are checking the root node. After this checking we will forward in the left side or right side. So this one it will be root, right. So this one it will be root, and we'll check the root data is not matching, so we will swap, right. And again we are checking and we are swapping. So in this case also it mean already here the root data, right, here the root data is not matching, right. Okay, because this one is the left of the 3, but here the left of the 3 is not presented. So data is not matching, so it will be written false, right. And also again and again we are friends, we are we are checking here root node left and root node right. Sorry, first of all we will check two condition, right. If if I'm explaining here one, and second one, here it will be 2, here it will be 3. This one is the first case friend, right. This one is the first case, it's mean a 2. This one is a t1 and this one is a 2 tree. So this one is a tree node, it's all are same, so that is already it's isomorphic. So this one is already I'm checking here root node left and root node right, and this one is the I'm recursive calling, right. So again and again it will be check here, okay, and it will be return true and false, right. And again it will be this one it will be true, and again this one it will be check, right. It's a root 1 right and root 2 right. This one first of all this one it will be check, right, this side to this side it will be condition true, again this one it will be, and this right it will be again check here, right. And again after then friends I want to the check this like of condition 1, 2 and 3, here 1 and 3, and here 2. So you can see here the friends all are the elements are same, but in that the case it's not same, right. So we need to the swap, right. So you can see here the this one is the left root left, and this one is a root left is not equal, so you will need to the swap it. So we will check this one element to this one element, this one element to this one element. So that's why this one is the root left, I'm writing here the short root left, and this one is the and comma, and this one is the root right. So that's why in the second condition I am checking here the root left 1, root left, and root 2 right, root 2 right, right. And again I am checking here the and because I'm again checking the this one root root right and root left, root right and root 2 left, right. If any if this one condition it will be true, so it will be returned true, right. Otherwise this any one condition to be not true, it will return the false, because we have only two condition it will be true. Otherwise any region cases it will be false, right. I'm going to the compile it, and let's see the result friends. Okay, I'm going to submit it. Yes friends, It had submitted successfully. I hope you will be learn something. Okay, and I'm going to the see you on the next one. Okay, you will see here the friends, video length it will be increased friends, but you can see here the I have written the same line of the sentences, same life of the code, right? We are checking also, we have also, we are increasing with this hmm, brackets. So but here I am not but here I am not using, right? And here I am checking again, this one is the condition, this one is the condition, any one condition it will be true, we will return the true, right? I'm going to the quickly, this one is also be run, you will be you will be guess it, this one is a condition true friends. We have not any changes friends, but this one is a for beginner, if you are a beginner so it will be help you, you will be guess it, this one it will be true, anyone here it will be true, it will be written true and yes. Okay, so it will be checked our the tree is isomorphic or not. I hope this video it will be help for you. Thanks for this watching video, we will see you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you.